The Nairobi Expressway is slowly taking shape in a unique way. It is a good progress and the contractor is determined to give Kenyans a wonderful road. As you join Uhuru Highway from University Way, you will notice that the construction is still ongoing. There is no shortage of views and traffic in the capital city. The number of vehicles and people passing through Nairobi is constantly increasing. The expressway is a major part of the city's economy, with the anticipation of increased goods and passengers moving across it on a daily basis. As already witnessed in the past year, the construction work has burdened road users with long hours in traffic. Motorists have been forced to struggle with the disruptions, diversions, reduced number of lanes, and noise from the heavy machineries on the road are some of the challenges people are facing. The pillars are standing strong and the gantry machine is in place as the workers set up the beams. Welcome back to yet another episode from Shifting News, an amazing channel that will give you wonderful news from different cities, countries, and touching on different personalities. In this video, we are going to give you some views of the Nairobi Expressway from the sky. Be sure to watch this video until the end. Like it, comment, and subscribe if you are new to this channel. The elevated section looks wonderful with the aerial views. The design, the mechanisms, and the technology in use is superb. You can have a clear view of GTC Office Tower, the second tallest building in the city. The building is 184 meters tall and has 43 floors. So far, it is the tallest building in Westlands district. From the aerial view along this Westlands stretch, you are treated to wonderful views of other buildings like One Africa Place, Sky Park Plaza, Parkin Hotel, Delta Corner Towers, PWC Building, Riverside Park, and many others. The aerial view gives you epic feeling of the city from above, including the buildings around the expressway. You will realize that Nairobi City is not only about buildings. We have trees or plantations as well, making the city green and looks wow. Please like this video and also subscribe if you are new to this channel. Click on the notification bell to ensure you do not miss out on any of our new uploads. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.